First of all, I wanted to give my condolences to all the families, friends of the victims. Second, sincerely from the space of Sadashiva, I am offering my prayers, best wishes, blessings, peace, energy, everything to all the victims and friends and families of the victims. I hope all of you recover from this loss. The friends, family, city, neighborhood, country, whole world itself. Hope all of you recover from this loss. And also strongly condemn this Islamic terrorist activities, continuously torturing innocent people. What is the mistake of those few people in the nightclub? I don't see they are doing any crime. I don't see they are doing anything against the vested interest of these terrorists. They are not protesting there. They are not shouting some slogans there. Some happy people, they have their own preferences and choices about life, gender, and they are hanging around and doing what they want within the limits of the laws of that country. I strongly condemn this terrorist attack. Somewhere we will have to put a stop to this peak of human stupidity, killing people for no reason. How can some people being in the nightclub can provoke you so much that you go and kill them? Even animals should not be killed in that number, in that kind of a tortured way. How can you kill human beings? See, if I look at from a simple dharmic point of view, I'll be 1,000 times more happy to have a LGBT son, GLBT son or daughter than to have a son or daughter who has become terrorist. If I look at the scene, this is million times better than that. I'll be million times happy to have some GLBT son or daughter than having a terrorist son or daughter. Ultimately, to tell you the truth, gender itself is one of the biggest myth spread on human beings. Gender itself is one of the biggest myth, I am telling you. Feeling somebody is higher and lower based on that stupidity. Gender myth is peak of stupidity. Humanity has to get out of the basic myth, this gender-based supremacy, gender-based superiority complex. Gender itself is a myth. And you declare supremacy based on a myth. And not only you declare supremacy, you go and kill others who are innocent, who don't have a weapon, who are just dancing and enjoying their life. Let them see. They enjoy the way they think enjoyment. And you have no right to go and kill people. Hope world awakes to the truth and ends this madness of terrorism, ends the stupidity of terrorism. My prayers and blessings with the victims, family, friends of the victims. That's all I can say.